All right, so our lesson today is 8-9. We're working again on making equal groups and arrays. So we're going to start off first by making a number story that's going to match the number model or the number sentence 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which equals 15. And it says that we can draw a picture again to help us with our number story. So I went ahead and wrote a number story to go with that. Caleb planted 5 rows of flowers. There were 3 flowers in each row. How many flowers did Caleb plant in all? So this would be a perfect one to make an array for, and I've gone ahead and made a picture of that. And so an array, remember, has rows that go across, and they have equal numbers in each row. So this one has 5 rows of 3. And then our number sentence would be adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. Or like we talked about previously, we could also do a multiplication number sentence, which would be 3 times 5 equals 15. Now, I made another number story to go with this number model. This time, Maddie made 5 plates of cookies for her friends. She put 3 cookies on each plate. How many cookies did she make altogether? And so I've made a picture there. This time, instead of making an array with rows, I've made equal groups. So there are 5 groups, the 5 plates, and there are 3 cookies on each plate. And so then again, we have the same number model. So we can show a number story 2 different ways. We can show with an array, or we can show making equal groups. Now, one way we can practice drawing arrays and making equal groups is to play a little dice game. So I'm going to show you how to do it on here. And then when you're done watching the video, if you want to practice it on your own, you're more than welcome to. So the first dice is going to tell us the number of rows that we're going to make in our array, and the second dice is going to tell us the number in each row. So for this one, we have 6 rows of 5 because we rolled a 6 first, and there are 5 in each row. And then we would write a number sentence that looks like this: 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 30, or 6 times 5 equals 30. For this next one, if you want to pause the video and you want to try it on your own, you're going to be making 3 rows of 4. And that would look like this: 3 rows with 4 in each row. And then our number sentence would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12, or 3 times 4 equals 12. Now we can do the same thing with equal groups. The first dice is going to tell us how many groups there are. The second one is going to tell us how many you're going to put in each group. So for this one, we're going to have 4 groups of 2. You would be adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8, or 2 times 4 equals 8. And for this one, you're going to do 2 groups of 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, or 2 times 1 equals 2. So again, if you want to try this on your own, you can roll 2 dice. The first one's going to tell you the number of groups. The second dice is going to tell you how many is in each group.